Alright, so sometimes if you use an aux cord from the main sound system during like a concert or something, so you get the adapter, plug it into this 1/4-inch jack, which leads to 2 different of these kinds of plug. And we can follow where this goes. And we see that it plugs into aux 5 and 6. And so on the board, right now we're on the first page, which is channel 1 through 16. The second page is 17 through 32. And the third page is auxes. So we're at the auxes, and 5 and 6 are up. So what we can do is you can plug your phone or computer or whatever into this, make sure the aux channels are up, make sure the main sound is up, and it should work. If you're using for annual skits or headliners, if you're gonna use a CD player, instead of going to the aux, you unplug it here, and it goes into the back of the CD player.